That's because that car pulled out. We're going to jail. So what I like about this exhaust is you're cruising right now, partial throttle, it almost sounds stock, right?
Yep.
But if you want to get on it, gets pretty rowdy.
Oh yes. Listen to that downshift.
Oh yes.
Ooh,
Downshifts are the best.
real nice. All right, I'm about to check and see if there's a bird in the grill. Yeah, went in the ducts. Yeah. Oh my god. Is there a bird in there? I'm ready. Hit me.
I sure hope not.
Oh boy, get ready. It's flying out.
I mean,
We're not gonna be able to see.
it's probably fluttering around in here. So here's the car with all the windows up, just cruising. You can hear it a little bit, but it's not like resonating your eyeballs out or anything like that. You can still hear the downshifts.
Sounds real nice.
You like it, Jonathan?
Oh yes. It's a magical car.
Holy crap, we found another E90 in the wild. You never see those. Of course it's at the gas station though, that's pretty common. Maybe I should get a sip. Thanks for watching this quick exhaust video. So once again, it's test pipes to replace the primary cats. Then it goes to the stock secondary cats and stock resonators in the X pipe. And then it's the Auto Couture motoring or ACM Exhaust Mod at the rear with MagnaFlow tips. I would recommend this setup. It's loud when you want it to be. It's quiet the rest of the time. I don't know if I would call it an exotic sound. At times it sounds like pretty exotic, but I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah, definitely exotic.
You think it is exotic?
I think so.
At certain RPMs, it has like an exotic howl to it. But then when you're wide open, it sounds kind of muscly. I don't know.
That's true. Got the variety.
A little variety. Yeah. So, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Drop a comment on what exhaust setup you're running. And subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time.